Welcome to HCP Pump. HCP was established in 1979 to answer the demand of the market. Today, after 4 decades of consistent growth, HCP products are not only sold in Taiwan, but also worldwide. Our aim is to provide the best pumping solutions to different fields and applications. Depending on the environment, submersible pumps differ as they are specifically designed to deal with different tasks. For instance, because of different water flow and head, different materials are used and therefore different types of impellers, all designed to provide different solutions.
In our daily life, we cannot operate without submersible pumps. The buildings where we drill, offices where we work, every factory, as well as every other industry, depends on the submersible pump to provide the water we all depend upon, and most of us are not aware of it. We provide 19 series with over 785 models. Our pumps can be used in a variety of applications such as agriculture, aquaculture, construction sites, wastewater management for factories and residential buildings, landscaping, mining, and more. HCP pumps are suitable for any circumstance where water is used.
Nowadays, HCP Pump is not only a submersible pump manufacturer. We aim for delivering solutions that create a sustainable environment for water management. Our objective is to specifically to address this problem by providing tailored solutions. HCP pumps are used in multiple fields, therefore contributing sustainable water management demand in relative to water recycling centers, sewage and wastewater treatment plants, seawater desalination plants, water reclamation systems, construction site dewatering, mining, irrigation, and aquaculture applications.
In 2021, HCP became the very first submersible pump manufacturer to receive the Taiwan Excellence Award, an Oscar in Taiwan's industry. Our award winner, the XD series, is a much lighter design compared to other construction site pumps and characterizes itself with higher efficiency that leads to reduced energy consumption. With our overseas branches, global distribution network, and constant commitment to providing the best services, we can make a better future. HCP Pump, make future flow.
We can make a better future. HCP Pump, make future flow.